Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of changing the closure system on your Thermomix TM5. This is an essential maintenance task that ensures your appliance operates safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts during the process. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM5. Safety is paramount, and working with an unplugged device prevents any accidental activation. Next, remove the base cover by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom of the appliance. Use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the base cover is removed, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. It's a good idea to clean the internal parts with a soft cloth to ensure everything is in good condition. If you notice any significant buildup, consider using a small brush to reach tight spots. Now, locate the closure system. This is typically situated near the top of the device. You will need to unscrew the screws holding the closure mechanism in place. Use your flathead screwdriver for this part. Be careful not to strip the screws, as this can make removal difficult. After removing the screws, gently pull the closure system away from the body of the Thermomix. Take note of how it is positioned, as you will need to replicate this when installing the new system. If you find this process too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you receive expert advice tailored to your needs. Next, take your new closure system and align it with the existing fittings. Secure it in place by replacing the screws you previously removed. Ensure that it is tightly fastened, as a loose closure can lead to safety issues during operation. Once the new closure system is installed, it's time to reattach the base cover. Align it carefully and screw it back into place using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure all screws are tightened securely to prevent any rattling or movement. Before you plug in your Thermomix TM5, it's wise to perform a final inspection. Check that all components are correctly installed and that there are no leftover parts. If you have any doubts about the installation, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your appliance serviced without any hassle. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and perform a test run to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. In conclusion, changing the closure system on your Thermomix TM5 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Regular maintenance will prolong the life of your appliance and ensure it operates safely. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.